When life feels chaotic, what do most of us do? We try to think harder, but that's a big mistake. Your brain doesn't lose clarity just because life is busy. It loses clarity because everything feels urgent all at once. You've got messages flooding in, decisions to make, constant noise, and everyone's expectations pulling your attention in 100 different directions. So your mind just keeps switching from one thing to another, but it never really settles. Here's what actually restores clear thinking. Stop trying to solve everything. Instead, choose one small thing you can finish in the next 10 minutes. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be important, it just has to be finishable. Completing that one task tells your brain, hey, something is under control, and that feeling of control creates calm. When calm returns, clarity follows naturally. Clear thinking isn't forced, it appears when the mental noise gets smaller. If you want more calm, clarity, and simple systems that actually work in real life, you'll find our free daily habit tracker in the description, and more thoughtful tips like this here on the channel.